Here, you see trees all around this house. All around. We are in the lake house. Ba, come here. Ba. That's the lake. And there is Baba. And you see the tree here. We need to cut this. But it must be a big chainsaw. Yeah, you see. It's all covered with trees here. You can hear the birds. You can see deers in the morning. That's our house. Yeah. That's the house. It has 3 bedrooms. Son John came this morning and they are working with his dad, Ken. There, the house of Jim. And small house there. The pump house. There's Baba. Yeah. And we are thinking to cut this tree here. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. It has been here. We need to cut trees. And this one was already cut. This one. More to do. These trees are already 100 years old. 100 years old trees. This is the lake. We need to go fishing. Or will we go fishing? We go fishing later? Ba, come here. Oh, this one. Beautiful. Yeah. There is Papi Ken. They are working with Jan. Oh my God. What? The lake place, lake house. And the lake is so close. Thank you for watching. Thank you.